Hi guys, this is Ahmed. So today I'm going to show you a very brief video on how to create an automation in ActiveCampaign. So first of all, you need to create an account on ActiveCampaign. It costs the free version for 500 contacts. I believe it costs $9 per month. So it's okay. So first of all, you will have your dashboard of ActiveCampaign here. So I will be starting by doing an automation, show you how to do an automation. You see this icon here. So you click on it, then you go down. I have my automation there. So what we are going to do, we're going to create a new automation here. Okay, let's create a new automation here. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, sorry. Okay, here it is. So you can start from scratch or you have other as well, but let us start from scratch for the purpose of this video. Okay, continue. So here we are. For all automation, we need to have a starting trigger, something which will trigger that automation. Most of the time, it's I use a list, someone subscribed to an opt-in page, and that's a trigger to automate the flow, start the automation. So first of all, you need to select a list. You have to create the list. Okay. Okay. For example, I create that list. I created that list before, so I add the start. Okay, so now it says to you, what are you going to do? Are you going to, after you trigger the automation? So you have many options over there. So, okay, let us start by sending an email. Okay, so click on send an email. Okay, you don't have an email, so you have to create an email here. Okay, okay, let this email one. Let's call it email one. Okay, then you create it. Okay, here you see. Now we will redirect to the email to tell you to write the email. We'll do that later, but I will just show you. So you can click on save and exit. Okay, this way I will do another video to show you how it is done. So here you have the automation. Okay, with email one. Okay, we save it here. Okay, here we have the contact subscribe to list. This list, that's the trigger. We send an email. Now after we send an email, what we can do, we have to wait for one day to let the subscriber give him time to open and read that mail. So we put a condition here, wait. Okay, so wait for a specific time. We put one day here. You can put also minutes, hour, day, no worries. It depends on you. So here I will put one day. I could save. So you see that there's a wait condition here. It will wait for one day, then go to the next part of the sequence. So what we're going to do here, we're going to put on the email sending option on the email 2. Okay, create a new email. Okay, this one is email 2. That's good. It will redirect to tell you to write the email. So yeah, so you can use email from the template that they have, or you can create something from scratch, no worries. Okay, save and exit. So now what we're going to do, we save it. Okay, so we have got our second email in the sequence. So now what we can do, we're going to put a condition there, if else. Okay, so if else is here. So what you can do, you can put an action. The action is, has the subscriber open the email? Okay, which email? Email 1. No, it's sorry, it's email 2. Okay, if it has open email, you add the sequence. You will see it will split the email into two. If the user opened the email, it will go to that sequence, and if it goes into that email, it goes to that sequence. Then you can divide it, split it, and put other conditions as well. Okay, that will be all for today. Let me put you can also, just one last thing, you can put end to this automation here. It will stop the sequence here. You can't leave it like this, you need to end it as well or put something, but this will be done in the next video. So please follow me, and I hope you like this video. Thanks.